My name is Martin Moore and this is one of my trick tutorials. In today's trick tutorial, we're going to do a slightly more advanced 3-ball trick. In order to learn this trick, you have to be able to do a 3-ball cascade. If you cannot already do the cascade, please look back through my tutorials, find the video that gives you the instructions and learn to do the cascade. This trick is called the box. And I expect you can probably see why. What's happening? One ball is always going up and down into my right hand. One ball is always going up and down into my left hand, and the other ball goes back and forward, making the bottom of the box. We already looked at this bottom throw in the other tutorial that I did when we learned how to do the shower. If you remember, the shower looked like that. The shower the other direction looked like that. It's the same throw across the bottom to do the box. One ball always goes up and down into my right hand. The other ball always goes up and down into my left hand. The larger ball, for the purposes of this demonstration, will just go back and forward along the bottom. It looks like this. The balls never cross over. The only ball that goes from hand to hand is the big ball that's doing the bottom part of the box. Okay, go and have a go at that, see how you get on. The box is a really nice juggling trick because it sort of frames the juggler's face. Looks really nice from the front. It also looks more difficult than it actually is. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. If you have, please hit subscribe, please leave a comment, come back and see some more videos. My name is Martin Moore. Thank you very much for watching and good luck with your juggling.